It's all about people. About making a difference. Every single day. For our colleagues.
And now it's ready.
Thank you.
And for those we're here for.
Your coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We start the day before most people. To ensure everything runs smoothly before the machines start up. Even the critical ones. And those that are essential to life. We make sure you have the energy for the day.
Here you go. Thanks. It looks delicious. Thank you.
And the room to nurture your relationships. We strive to help you grow and flourish. And when life takes a turn, we make room for new beginnings. For us, it's not about where you've been, but where you're going. We are here when new horizons await. And we help ensure that you get home safely. Since 1901, we have made people feel safe and secure. Back then, as night watchmen in the streets of Copenhagen.
This way, please.
Later, as pioneers in service. Today, as a trusted partner for thousands of clients.
Here you go.
And a proud employer of more than 300,000 employees worldwide. Our mission remains the same: to create space for people and businesses to thrive.